What you see here is a Emerson Pro Series ceiling fan. This is installed in one of the guest bedrooms at my aunt and uncle's house. They got white and bleached oak. It's got a 4-way light fixture. Watch and see what happens to it. See, there's 2 lights there. Other way, all 4. And now I'm going to turn on and start the high speed. Blows a decent amount of air. Let's go to medium. Low. There's the light. And off. And that is it. That is the Emerson Pro Series ceiling fan installed in one of the guest bedrooms. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment, rate, and subscribe.